All right, here we are, 9.2 part 3. In this video, we're going to find the common difference, the term named in the problem, and the explicit formula for these two examples. So first thing we need to find is the common difference. So that's D in the terminology we've been using. So that's however much we're adding or subtracting each time. So if we look at this one, we can see that we're adding 2 here, adding 2, adding 2. So we're adding 2 each time, so D equals 2. That's our common difference. Now we're going to find the explicit formula. We're going to do that first before we find the term that's named, because we need that explicit formula in order to find that term, because we don't want to have to keep adding 2 18 more times or whatever. We want to find that explicit formula and be able to plug in. So our explicit formula is going to be AN equals, our first term is -2, so that's going to go first, plus n minus 1 times D, which is 2. So this is the formula for an arithmetic sequence that we talked about in the first video. We have the first term plus n minus 1 times D. So now we can simplify this. So we're going to distribute the 2. And then we can combine like terms. So we get AN equals 2n minus 4. So now, so this is our, that's our explicit formula. This is our common difference. And now we can find A22, which was the term that was asked for in the problem. So A22 is going to be 2 times 22 minus 4. 2 times 22 is 44. So 44 minus 4 is 40. So A22 equals 40, and that's the last piece that we were looking for. So you're just plugging in whatever n is, you're just plugging that in there, and then you're good to go. So let's do the same thing with this example, number 6. So first I want to see what my common difference is going to be. So I'm adding, this time I'm adding 9 each time. See that we're going from -27, -18, -9, 0. So we're adding 9 each time. So D equals 9. So that's one of our pieces that we're looking for. And now we're going to find that explicit formula. So I have AN equals, the first term is -27, so that's what's going to go in front, plus n minus 1 times 9. So I have AN equals -27 plus 9n minus 9. So I'm going to combine like terms. I get AN equals 9n minus 36. So this is my explicit formula. And then the last thing I need to do is I need to find A40. Right, and find A40. So I'm going to plug 40 in for n, so I get 9 times 40 minus 36. 9 times 40 is 360. And then 360, so I'm going to write that out. 360 minus 36 is 324. So that's going to be my answer. That's the 40th term is 324. So hopefully that helps, and I will see you in the next video.